Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to join ActivelyLearn. This is going to be the website that we're going to be using in our class virtually to read all of our assignments. So I created a step-by-step guide for all of you already, and it should be pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just making this video just in case we have any questions and you want to see visually what you're supposed to be seeing in your screen. So step number one, I'm literally just going to click on that link and open it up. And you're going to see a website that looks like this. Alrighty. Step number two says that you're going to click on student sign up. So I'm going to go back to the website and I'm going to click right there, student sign up. And you're going to see a page that looks like this. You're going to literally insert your first and last name. So my name is Valentina. My last name is Fernandez. And then you're going to use your own SAISD email to create your account. So for me, I'm going to put in my SAISD email. Remember, your SAISD email, all it is your username that you use to log into your iPad, and then add @live.saisd.net. And your password, you are making your own password. Make sure you make it something you can remember. Make it a password that you use for other websites, things that you're not going to be forgetting. So let me make my own password. And I'm going to click sign up. Then it's going to ask you, are you joining a teacher's class? Yes, you're going to be joining Ms. Fernandez's class. And so it's going to ask you for a class code. You're going to go back to the doc. You're going to find whatever class period you belong in, and you're going to put in that class code. So let's say that I belong to 4th period. I see 4th period right here. I'm going to grab that class code, KIOCI, and I'm going to complete my sign up. That's all it is. Your account is made. You have a username, you have a password, and you have a short video telling you what the website is going to be about. And next week, you'll have an assignment with it. Thank you guys.